Understanding use pad savers in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, use pad savers. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, use pad savers, is actually quite straightforward. It's a directive or a suggestion, advising someone to utilize pad savers. Now, you might be wondering, what are pad savers? Pad savers are protective accessories used in various contexts, like musical instruments, sports equipment, or even electronic devices, to extend their lifespan and maintain their quality. So, when someone says, use pad savers, they are essentially advising to use these protective items to preserve the quality of something valuable. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In music, remember to use pad savers for your saxophone to keep it in top condition. 2. In sports, he advised me to use pad savers with my cricket gear to avoid wear and tear. 3. In technology, use pad savers for your tablet to prevent screen damage. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations, emphasizing its versatility. When using this phrase, it's important not to confuse it with similar sounding terms. For instance, pad here doesn't refer to notepads or writing pads, but to protective pads. Also, ensure that your context is clear so that the listener understands what kind of pad savers you're referring to. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use the phrase, use pad savers, confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about context and clarity. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the situation calls for it. See you in our next video, and happy learning!